What's going on, everybody? Slang Dutchman here, and today we're at a meeting in Almere. It's FDT sportscars. I just looked to see it up on the banner. I just saw and heard that there was a meet, and I was like, yeah, it's good weather, and I'm down for a little car meet. It's an import company that organizes a little meet, so I already see also non-import or like Japanese cars. So there's mixed cars, so let's see what's out there and what's cool. Enjoy. Oh, welcome to the entrance. Nice black R34 without a wing. And I kind of like him without the wing. More with the wing, but it's not ugly without the wing. It's very cool. What do we have here? Some buggies. It's not my type of motorsport, but this is hella fun, I can assure you that. We did it once on the channel with something like this with Scott. We went some off-roading. He had a Samurai or a Jimny, I believe it was. We went off-roading, so just look down on the channel, previous videos. I think it was a year ago or something. And we did some awesome off-roading. It was a good video though. Then we have a nice MX-5. The hell's rumbling there? And 4th generation Prelude. There's some like project cars stored here. It's an MR2 with a body kit that I don't necessarily hate. Then it's an old school Volvo 300 series. Is there even a seat in the back in the middle? It's like a drift taxi. Evo 3 just rolled up, Evo 4 or 5 is it? We'll see them in a bit. Just gonna finish this line. RX-8, Jaguar. It's a little bit different. Volkswagen. Suzuki Swift. Like it's this model, but then in a convertible. And then we have another Volvo, a 340. It's like drift built as well, or at least there's a hydro and it's stripped and there's a cage in parts. I love these. I almost had one of these instead of the E36 for drifting, but looking at the aftermarket and availability for parts, then I made the good call. But these still, I like them. And then, yeah, we know this car. These are ours. What car is this? Put it down in the comments. What is this? What is this car? This thing is cool though. You've seen this thing before. Nice S15 without a wing. The MX-5. Then we have a Subaru Impreza Hawkeye with a color scheme inspired livery. And then this thing is very, very green. I'm not sure I necessarily like the car, but can't even talk with those things coming in. Then base model R34. GTST, I assume, or GTT. Then FC RX-7. FCs are always good. Just love the body line of the car. Like this little square line that goes here and just follows all alongside the whole car. I love them. yellow Z. It's a good color for a Z though. Nice little collection of K-trucks. Just right off the bat, first one. How cool is this? I mean, that's too cool. Nice one. And then a little minty green scooter in the back, or blue, what is it? It's a Yamaha Mint, right? Yeah. And a very poverty spec R34. I would definitely change up this nose. Same as this. It's kind of cool to hang the wheels like that. This is a JDM Accord Euro R. Is that true? Is it with a weird? Yes. This is the Accord. I believe I showed this same model in the Honda Belgium Days meeting. They were for the weekend. Some guy had these, and like we never got these. But if you look at the body kit and everything, I think they're so cool. And I believe it's an old Toyota Crown. I mean, period correct. Seat covers. Even the print on the seat is like flowering. It's very cool. Heb je seen een printje op de stoel?
Ja, heel vet.
I mean, talking about a VIP boat. Yeah, Toyota Crown Royal Saloon. And then we have a third generation Supra, which I'm lucky I'm using the wide angle, so now I'm able to view this from a corner that is really small. But these are kind of cool. I mean, look at that badge. They don't make cars like that anymore. And then we have his big brother, the Mark IV Supra. I thought I smelled oil. There's a Civic. Starting off with this Koki S14A, as I call them. Ooh, it's like caged, like stripped empty, caged and everything. That is very nice. And a 300 ZX, which is not that, well, it's not that common, but I start to see them more and more. Nice white S15, better rear lights, better wing, as stock. K-series, everything. I think it's gonna be fun, because the thing is, these bodies are so light, and then with such a power plant NA, it's fun. High RPMs, never have to shift. Nice digital dash. Oh, that sound though. That little Honda Shuttle, 4th generation. I love these as well, just because they're quirky. AW11 MR2. And then a nice blue S15. I kind of get what Jimmy Oaks is talking about, because like this, all clean in blue with the sun hitting it. This is the dark side though, but this is the sun side. I don't necessarily like the tail lights on this, but the blue is a nice color on this car. Very good. And then we have one of the best JDM wagons out there. It's a Stagia. There's a lot of people doing Skyline R34 front end swaps on these. This one hasn't. I believe this is just the original front. Yes. With the double unicorn logo. I mean, how cool is it that the logo of your car is a double unicorn? Nice little Evo 3, I believe. And then, I'm sorry, but this color, I believe it's wrapped, but this color, Jesus, on a car like this, and then the color match with the sticker here that's a little bit chrome, very cool. I mean, this is in my opinion the best model of Evos, and then in a sick ass color. R32, the RV26. Then the S15. This color is insane. I don't know if the camera can pick up any of that, but that and the color combo with the wheels. It's like that little bronze rim around it. It's very cool. Evo 7, 8, 9 rocked up. I can't tell the difference. The R34. Here we have a little CRX with some Itasha stickers. I believe I had this in my videos recently. I believe I've at least seen it before. I don't know if I filmed it, but I have to say I'm a sucker for this stuff. Nice little Golf 2 with a VR6. One of my buddies had these. Ended in a fire that burnt the whole fucking company down. At least I'm not the only one. It's some respect cars. SW20 MR2, but look at the paint. Don't know, I'm blocking it, but there's so much sparkle in the paint. It's pretty cool. White wheels always works. Then we have a Celica I don't know, Mike Devine tag. I don't know which model it is. I know I have a T18, which is the one before. Is this then a T19 or a T20? I believe it's T20 or something. Another one in red. Impreza with a bigger than original snail. Yep. Our sticker spotted again. Oh, there's more. This is definitely our stickers. Bam, bam, bam. Looks slow, well, cause it is. And then the Chupity on the gas cap. It's very nice to see people placing your stickers. It's an honor. Yeah. I believe I've seen this one before, because I questioned why does he have the good layout graphics but then not the yellow card to make it the spoon version. with the silver. I mean, it's not bad, but I'm a sucker for official livery, so I would go for that. But I don't know what this is. The badge says Trueness. It's a Ford. I mean, the hubcap says Ford. This thing is stitched together though. It's kind of cool nonetheless. Very nice S13. And then a very cool Evo 4, I believe this is. And then a 370Z on very risky wheels. What a combo. Red and white wheels, always a good combo. This one in poverty spec I think is the least interesting Skyline. I'm sorry. R33 4-door doesn't do it. Honda with the V6. It's like an Accord engine in it. Or Legend. DC5. Now we're back at the 300 ZX again. Here he is, the Drift Banana. This is basically the same build that I'm doing, but he's a little bit ahead of progress. And there's burnouts happening. Let's see if we can spot someone leaving. So that was the FDT import show car, or was it sports car? FDT sports car import, whatever it is. Meeting. Unfortunately, I was not able to film the rest, or I did film the rest. I filmed a few burnouts, then I warmed up my car and I was like, you know what, as I'm leaving, I'm gonna set a big burnout as well. Since it's being a drift car, but then the organizer was like, hey, please don't do this, otherwise we need to shut down the meet and whatever. So I was sort of the first one that got told not to do it. And for some reason, the last few clips on my GoPro got corrupted. So I have to leave you guys with the video right here. If you like it, please like, subscribe. If you think, why is he in such an empty room? There will be before or after this video. I think this video will be after, so you already know why I'm here. If you're not, go back and watch the other video because it's an interesting one for the channel. So please, thank you guys for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!